What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to check Instagram followers that don't follow you back. There are a few ways how to go about checking this guys, and I'm gonna show you them within this tutorial. Now as you can see, I'm on my personal profile here, right? And the first way I'm gonna show you is by checking through your messages. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply click home, and then I'm going to click on my messages on the uppermost right hand side, and you can see that I have one new message there. Now in order to check if someone actually follow you back, you can find that within a message. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click on one of those messages, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the top, right? Now if you look at the top of that particular message, you can see under the section it says you follow each other on Instagram, right? And this is an indicator to show you that this person actually follows you back and you're following that person, right? Now I'm going to show you another one. Let's open up, for example, this Drew tutorial, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the top. And as you can see, it says you followed this Instagram account since 2023. It simply means that I am following this account, but this account is not following me back. And that's how you can check this, right? Now, you can go about checking this another way, guys, and it's by simple downloading your information. So what you want to do, simply click on your profile on the lower right hand side, then click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, and then if you're on your personal account, you want to click on Account Center at the top there. From here, you want to scroll down to your information and permissions. Then you want to click and download your information. So you want to click on that. Then you want to click download or transfer information. So click on that button there. And then you want to deselect everything and select your Instagram account and click on next. If you have only one account, you will be able to see that one account and you just need to click on it. Now, once you're here, you simply want to tap on download some of your information. So some of your information, you want to tap on that. Now from here, you will have a huge list, guys, and you want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom to where you will see the option that says followers and following. Click on that and then simply click on next. From here, you want to simply download to your device. So simple click on next, and then you want to go ahead and select your date range. I would say go ahead, play around with the date range, and you can go ahead and choose, for example, all time. Let's say, for example, and click and save. That way you will get all of your followers over all time. You'll get a more accurate data, right? Or you can always do last 6 months. It's really up to you what date range you want to choose. That's totally up to you. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on create file. And this will take some time to create the file, normally within a few minutes. And once this is done, you will be able to see that it's downloaded. At the moment, it is saying in progress, but once it is completed, you'll be able to come back here and you can download this file. Now, once this file is downloaded, guys, you will be able to hit the download button and download this into a zip file. And if you're using an Android or you're using an iPhone, you'll be able to find that on your phone. So for example, I'm using the Android here, and all you'll have to do, just simply do a swipe up and you want to look for your files, or you can simply type in your files and you'll find it. Now that file is under Samsung, so I'm going to click on files here. Now from here, you will find your downloads folder, and you can come here and you can find that zip file and you can simply extract it and open the file. Now, once you get that file, guys, it will be in HTML format. So you can simply open up that file and you can very easily view your following and your followers list. Now, from there, you can simply go ahead and go to our website or go to Google and simply type in compare list, and you will find a result such as this. You can visit this website at the top that says compare to list. I'm going to click on that website, and you can go ahead and you can copy or upload the files to both sections. So you can upload your followers and you can also upload your following. It's up to you if you want to upload the list, or you can simply copy and paste the data right in here in each section. It's really up to you, right? Or you can even put them into a Word file or a Notepad file and then simply upload them. It's really up to you. Now, once you upload both files, just simply go ahead and click compare list, and this will show you the list of followers and following that are not following you back. You will get that data there. Now, as you can see, guys, I also have an email here that shows me once the file is downloaded and ready. So as you can see there, the file is ready, so I can always go there and check it. Now I'm going to show you here. As you can see, the file is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply do back, and I'm going to simply click again download, and I'll be able to find that there. So here it is showing that its download is ready. So I just need to tap on download and enter my password, and then I'll be able to download that file. Very easy and very simple stuff there, guys. Now I really hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're seeing the channel for the first time. Thank you very much, and see you next time.